Hey everyone, it's time for a mocha frappa latte with whipped cream and some chocolate sprinkles. Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Check out this paint job. Just makes you feel like diving into some frappa latte chocolate stuff. It's just so cool looking. You want to know more about our paint jobs? We have high-end paint jobs. There's no graphics, there's no decals on our paint. All of our logos are painted on. So hey, give us a call and dream about your mocha frappa latte. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.